Velocity uses a lot of macros for performing various user functions like submit, refresh, applying format, etc. Velocity also uses macros for helping configure options in the design mode. The applications that we are onboarding also contain macros, and there may be instances where we may have to write macros to add to the UC. The question may arise, why do we need macros? We need macros in Excel for several reasons. Macros automate repetitive tasks, saving time and reducing the risk of errors. Complex calculations and data manipulations can be performed quickly with macros, improving productivity. Macros ensure that tasks are performed in the same way each time, maintaining consistency in data processing. Macros enable you to add custom functionality to Excel that might not be available through built-in features. Macros can integrate Excel with other applications, facilitating data exchange and workflows across different platforms. They provide users with buttons and forms for easier interaction with complex processes, improving the overall user experience. Let's add a simple macro that formats the selected cells with bold text and a yellow background. In our workbook, open the VBA editor by clicking on Developer, followed by clicking on Visual Basic. Alternately, you can click on Alt plus F11. In the VBA editor, click Insert and then Module to create a new module. Change the name to include UC_custom followed by something pertaining to the application. In our case, we will name the module UC_custom_Acme Undertaking. In the editor window, type Option explicit, press Return key. Next, type in the macro on the screen. Once you completed typing the macro, close the VBA editor and go back to Excel. To run macro, press Alt plus F8, select Format Cells, and click Run. In this case, cell A2 was selected, hence the background was changed to yellow, and since it was already in bold, no change is seen. Let's select a range of cells and then run the macro again. When we select a range of cells and run this macro, the cells are formatted with bold text and a yellow background. Here we saw a simple example of how macros can be used to automate formatting tasks in Excel. We can now write our own macros to do the repetitive task in Excel. Next, we will work on hiding and unhiding static sheets by writing our own macros.